How does Altasciences track client feedback? Listening to our clients is an integral part of how we do business here at Altasciences. Client feedback is received through various platforms from several individuals and is both solicited and unsolicited. The key factor is that this feedback is regularly shared at an operational and managerial level, so that we can keep doing what we do well and adapt when we need to. The experience management team that I lead uses internal escalation and feedback loops that facilitate the sharing of this information. Working with operations and management, we diligently document and act on your feedback. We analyze and report on any broader trends that may impact your journey. As a team, we continuously look at ways to enhance your experience with us. The end goal is to ensure that we deliver a consistent and seamless experience. At Altasciences, we consider you partners, and partnership cannot exist without communication and collaboration. The communication goes both ways, so if you need something, tell us. At Altasciences, your voice matters.